Fixing a card not working on an iPhone is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Inspect your physical card for any signs of damage, such as scratches, bends, or a damaged chip. If the card is damaged, it might not work properly. Ensure that you have entered the correct details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Typos or incorrect information can cause issues. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Updates may include fixes for compatibility issues with certain cards or payment methods. Verify that your card is compatible with Apple Pay or the specific payment method you're trying to use on your iPhone. If you are having issues with a card already added to Apple Pay, try removing it and adding it again. Go to Settings, then go to the Wallet and Apple Pay. Select the card and choose Remove Card, then add it back by selecting Add Card. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your iPhone and then turn it back on. Ensure that your Apple Pay settings are up to date. Go to Settings. Next, go to Wallet and Apple Pay and check for any updates or changes needed. Make sure there are no restrictions set on your iPhone that prevent the use of your card. Go to Settings, then go to Screen Time. Next, go to Content and Privacy. Then go to Restrictions, then Allowed Apps, and make sure the wallet is enabled. If the issue persists, contact your bank or card issuer. They can provide information on whether there are any problems with your account or if there are restrictions on using your card with Apple Pay. Ensure that your card is supported in your region and that no regional restrictions are preventing its use. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Apple support for assistance. They may be able to provide additional troubleshooting steps or guide you through the process.